Hello and welcome to my channel. Do you know that flax is a tiny, power-packed seed that is full of goodness? Eat flax seeds for skin health and use them in your daily skincare regimen to get the most benefits out of flax seeds. I'll show you how to use it on your skin to get a radiant, glowing, and young skin within a few days. With regular use, your skin will glow and shine. Take 2 cups of water in a saucepan and then add half a cup of flax seeds to it. Mix it together and bring it to a boil. Flax seeds will help brighten your dull skin. This seed has moisturizing properties because of omega-3 fatty acids. Flax seeds prevent our skin from drying out. It also helps get rid of that unwanted tan and uneven skin tone. Keep on stirring it with a spoon all the time. The water will reduce and become thicker after a few minutes. Strain it using a strainer or a cloth, and you will get a jelly like this. Dip a cotton ball into it and apply it on your face nicely. Flax seeds are touted to be one of the strongest exfoliants, and using it topically can help get rid of dead skin, leaving you with flaunt-worthy skin. It contains antioxidants and phytochemicals that will slow down the aging process. It's rich in omega-3 fatty acids that will give you radiance and beautiful skin. Leave it on your face until it dries completely. Then wash it off with water. Use this remedy twice a week and you will see a remarkable difference. I hope you liked my video. Share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!